All right, so here's a look at this car vacuum that we got. You can see here, this is going to be what it looks like when you first get it. It's also going to come with a couple other attachments. So it's got like this extension attachment like that. It also has this hose attachment as well. And at the end here, you've got a brush attachment. Now, you don't need to put this necessarily on the hose. You could even take this off and put it directly on here. And this is probably my favorite attachment just because it's ease of use. But if I'm working on getting between the seats or anywhere that's hard to get to, I'll switch over to the hose attachment. But let's go ahead and use it. I like using this one because this is going to kick the dirt and dust up from the actual carpets. So it kicks it up, it loosens it up, and then the vacuum will suction it up. Now this only has one mode. You're just going to turn it off or on. It also has an LED light on here as well. So if you need to utilize that, if the car is dark at that point, you can turn that light on and you'll see a little bit better. Now let's go ahead and turn it on. You can see here that we've got a little bit of lint or something like that in the back seat. You can see it's doing a really good job of picking everything up, and especially with this brush, I feel like helps a lot because there is going to be stuff like this that's really stuck in there, or even things like dog hair. So you might have to brush it a little bit left and right. And now you can see everything is really coming up, and you can obviously see the area that we worked on right there. Now let's switch this over, and we want to get kind of in the crevices here. So now you can see down here in the crack we have a little bit more. So let's go ahead, we'll take this extension tube and we'll start working on this. And there you go. We can see we got most of it out. There's still a little bit inside there, so I could switch over again to the brush just to kind of brush everything out. Turn it back on. And there we go, nice and clean. So I really like this because it's super simple. It's not going to be a vacuum that has a bunch of useless features to it. It really just has one mode, which is a very strong mode. It has a light, and it's just got a couple of really basic attachments. You can see the size of it here for reference. It's about as long as my arm. And if you want to go ahead and clean that filter out, it's easy. You just pop this off. You could clean this filter out a bunch of times and reuse it. You could also dump out everything that gets caught in here. Plus, you can also get replacement filters for this as well. So after washing this out a bunch of times, if it's starting to get a little too worn out, you could go ahead and get a new filter. But I love this vacuum. It's super simple, and it doesn't have a bunch of crazy tech with it. It's just off and on, and it works like magic.